Good morning. In our last video we discussed principal values of inverse trigonometric function. Now we discuss about properties of inverse trigonometric function. Actually this portion is deleted from our CBSE syllabus. But these properties are necessary for finding the derivative of some function. The proof is not needed. So first of all we by heart these formulas. These properties are divided. I divided these properties into 4 sections, and we use derivative is also in this section. Okay, actually a function and its inverse function is combined to form. That means sine inverse of sine x is equal to, answer is x. That is an identity function. This concept is from the composition of two functions. Actually this portion is deleted from the first chapter also. So you by heart this formula, this technique. That is sine inverse sine x is x, or sine of sine inverse x. Sine of sine inverse x is, answer is x. Similarly cos is not, first write not. So heading is properties of inverse trigonometric function. First write the not sine inverse of sine x, not 1. Sine inverse sine x is x, sine of sine inverse x is similarly cos inverse cos x, answer is x, and cos of cos inverse x is also x, and tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, and tan of tan inverse x is also, we get answer x. Similarly cosec of cosec inverse x and sec of sec inverse x and cot of cot inverse x is also, we get answer same function x. That is called identity function. Okay, you by heart this formula. That is very important. Now our first properties of inverse trigonometric function. Our first section, section 1. You by heart 3 formulas. That is, first is sine 2x. You know sine 2x formula is 2 sine x cos x. Then 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sine square x. These are already learned in our first year class, that is on trigonometry. We learned this result. Sin 2x 2 sin x cos x, 1 plus cos 2x 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x 2 sin square x. From this we get a half angle formula also. Sin x is equal to, and 2x correspond to here the angle is x, and therefore sin x correspond to the answer is 2 sin half angle sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2, and 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. In the first section, we by heart these 3 formulas. Sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square. Now, we do some problems based on this section. Y is equal to tan inverse sin 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. Our question is, simplify y is equal to tan inverse sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Hence find dy by dx. Hence find is dy by dx. Okay, that is tan inverse, you already know sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. You know 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. Here 2 cancel, cos cancel is equal to, we get answer tan inverse sin by cos, answer is tan x. You already know tan by tan x, answer is x. Tan by tan x, answer is x. Okay, a trigonometric function and its inverse function, composite, that means product or composition,
process is called a composition. When composite these two functions, that is inverse function and that function composite together, we get that function x. X is called an identity function, that is x. We get answer x. That is y equal to tan inverse sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Simplified form is x. Now we find its derivative dy by dx. Answer become x derivative is 1. That's all. Okay. Now discuss our second question. Y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos 2x divided by sin 2x. Simplify y is equal to tan inverse. Our question is simplify y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos 2x by sin 2x. Then find its derivative. Find its dy by dx. Find dy by dx. That is tan inverse. 1 minus cos 2x. 2 sin square x divided by sin 2x. 2 sin x into cos x. Here 2 to cancel, sin cancel. We get answer tan inverse sin by cos is tan x. Here tan inverse tan x answer is x. Now composite this inverse function and this trigonometric function tan x, we get answer x. Our simplified form is answer is x and its derivative dy by dx is equal to derivative x is answer is 1. That's all. Okay. I'll do one more question. Y is equal to tan inverse sin 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Simplify y is equal to tan inverse sin 2x by 1 minus cos 2x, hence find dy by dx. In this case, sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Here 2 to cancel, sin cancel, and therefore we get answer tan inverse cos by sin, answer is cot x. Tan inverse tan x is composite form, the identity function x, but unfortunately here our function is cot x. So first of all we convert cot x in terms of tan. You already know the complementary angle. Cot x is equal to tan 90 minus x. That is cot x is converted to tan 90 minus x because tan 90 minus theta is cot x. Now we composite this term tan inverse tan x, which is answer is 90 minus x because tan inverse tan x answer x. Therefore tan inverse tan 90 minus x answer is 90 minus x and its derivative dy by dx. Derivative 90 is 0 and derivative of minus x answer is minus 1. Okay. I will do one more question. Simplify y is equal to tan inverse sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. Sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. Hence find its derivative. Dy by dx. Okay. That is y is equal to tan inverse sin x by 1 minus cos. Sin x? 2 sin half angle 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 the whole divided by 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 2 sin square x by 2. Here 2 to cancel, sin cancel, balance we get answer tan inverse cos by sin, answer is cot x by 2. But here tan inverse tan we get answer tan inverse tan x we get answer x, but here cot x. First we convert cot x to in terms of tan. That is using complementary angle formula. Cot x is also equal to tan 90 minus here x corresponding angle is x by 2. That is equal to we get answer 90 minus x by 2 and this is a simplified form, and then find its derivative. The derivative of 90 is 0 and derivative of minus x by 2, answer is minus 1 by 2. Because minus 1 by 2 in derivative x is 1, we get answer minus 1 by 2. Okay. That's all. Now we give some extra questions in homework session. Now we give the second section. We will discuss second section. Section 2. In the second section, mainly we use inverse trigonometric formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to
tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. And second formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. All of them try to by heart these two formulas. Proof are not needed. So result is important for finding the derivative of such type function. In the second chapter, using this formula, different types of problems are there. But here we don't want such a type problem because in our syllabus these portions are already deleted. But this formula is necessary for finding derivative some functions. So by heart this formula, proof is not needed because you find the proof using tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b formula, that is not needed here. So by heart this result, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of, the tan of a plus b form, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here tan a tan b correspond to x and y. Easily we remember that formula. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, and minus correspond to tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Okay, using this formula we find some derivatives of some functions. Our first question is, y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Simplify, our question is, simplify y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then find dy by dx, then find dy by dx. Okay, that is y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x. First of all, this function can be rearranged as tan inverse 1 plus x divided by 1 minus 1 into x. Let's convert to the form tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. You know the formula, tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Using that formula, we get tan inverse here x correspond to the values, x correspond to values 1 and y correspond to values x. Therefore, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y is equal to, using that formula we get answer, tan inverse x, that is x correspond to 1, plus tan inverse y, y correspond to term is x. You already know tan inverse, derivative tan inverse 1 by 1 plus s square. Okay, now we differentiate with respect to x. Derivative tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 is already a constant term, is a pi by 4, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, and the derivative of that constant is 0, and derivative tan inverse x is already learned, that is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. In differentiation we already learned derivative tan inverse x, derivative tan inverse x, answer is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, it's very important problem, but the result, first of all, you by heart this result. Okay, tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x can be reset in the form tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x form, that is 1 plus x by 1 minus 1 into x, and therefore which is the form tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Therefore answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. X correspond to 1 and y correspond to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get our answer 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Our next question is, y is equal to, simplify, y is equal to tan inverse x plus root x divided by 1 minus x into root x. Tan inverse x plus root x divided by 1 minus x into root x. Then find its derivative, also. Simplify, y equal to tan inverse x plus root x divided by 1 minus x into root x, then find it dy by dx. Okay, which is of the form tan inverse, x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Here x correspond to the value is x and y correspond to term is root x. That is, therefore our simplified form is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Here y corresponding term is root x. Now find its derivative, that is dy by dx. You already know derivative tan inverse x. Derivative tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. And tan inverse root x, answer is 1 divided by 1 plus x correspond to root x, the whole square, into then function of function. Here we apply the function of function, but derivative x is 1. Here using function of function we find the derivative root x. You know the derivative root x is 1 by 2 root x. First of all you find the derivative tan inverse x. You suppose root x as x, then the derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. X corresponding to the term is root x. It is 1 by 1 plus root x the whole square. Then using function of function we find the derivative root x. Answer is 1 by 2 root x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus root x the whole square x into 2 root x. That's all. That is our answer. 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x into 2 root x. Okay. Y is equal to tan inverse x minus root x divided by 1 plus x into root x. Tan inverse x minus root x by 1 plus x into root x, which is similar to the result of tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. You know tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, that is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. And therefore here our simplified form is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Y correspond to root x. Now find the derivative dy by dx is equal to, you know the derivative tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square minus tan inverse root x derivative is 1 by 1 plus root x the whole square into, using function of function, derivative root x is 1 by 2 root x. That is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x into 2 root x. That's all, because the root x the whole square is answer is x. Okay. Okay. Now next question is simplify y is equal to tan inverse cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x. Tan inverse cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. This type of function you already, how to simplify, you already learned in your first year trigonometry. Here first of all, in this type of function, first of all you dividing numerator and denominator by cos, because you know the tan inverse result, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, you know the answer become tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay. For remembering how this problem, use listen, tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here denominator the first term, here denominator the first term become 1. First of all you convert this term become 1. Here one corresponding term is cos x. First of all this term is converted to 1. For converting cos x to 1, first of all dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. First of all dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. And therefore we get answer cos x by cos x, answer is 1, plus sin by cos, answer is tan x, divided by cos is answer is 1, minus sin by cos, answer is tan x. Okay. Here dividing numerator and denominator by cos x, dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. Then convert this formula in the form tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, that is tan inverse 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus 1 into tan x. Convert to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, you know the result is tan inverse x. Here x corresponding value is 1 plus y corresponding value is tan x. Y corresponding value is tan x. That is equal to tan inverse 1 is already know pi by 4 is also constant value, no problem, so because the derivative becomes 0.
Then tan inverse tan x, you know tan inverse tan x is composite function, an inverse function and that trigonometric function composite together, we form identity, that is x. Tan inverse tan x is x. Now find its derivative, that is answer is, you know the derivative pi by 4 is 0 and derivative x answer is 1. Therefore, the derivative tan inverse cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x, we get answer 1. It's very easy. Using this result, we can easily find the derivative of type of function. Okay. Now, one more question, I will discuss one more question. Simplify tan inverse of a cos x plus b sin x divided by b cos x minus a sin x. Simplify tan inverse a cos x plus b sin x divided by b cos x minus a sin x. Then find its derivative, find its dy by dx. Here also we use same formula, tan inverse x, tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy is equal to, you know the answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x. Answer is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. First of all, convert this form, the form x plus y by 1 minus xy. The denominator first term is 1. First we dividing this term become 1. First b cos x become 1. First of all, dividing numerator and denominator by b cos x. B cos x. First of all, dividing numerator and denominator by b cos x. Dividing numerator and denominator by b cos x. And therefore, the answer is tan inverse a cos x divided by b cos x plus b sin x divided by b cos x, the whole divided by b cos x divided by b cos x minus a sin x divided by b cos x. That is equal to, we get answer tan inverse, here cos cancel, a by b plus bb cancel, sin by cos tan x divided by 1 minus a by b into tan x, which is of the form tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Here x corresponding term is a by b and y corresponding term is tan x, and therefore using the formula we get answer tan inverse x correspond to a by b plus tan inverse y correspond to tan x. Okay, that is equal to tan inverse of a by b, you know tan inverse tan x, answer is x, and its derivative dy by dx is equal to, you know the derivative tan inverse a by b is a constant value, and derivative becomes 0, and derivative x we get answer 1. Okay. Okay, that's all today's class. Now I will give some homework question in our group class group. We will try to answer this question, and if you have any doubt, please clarify it through my WhatsApp. That's all. Bye.